Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to activate voice chat on Roblox. First of all guys, you have to open Roblox app. Once you open it, just tap on three dot over here, tap on it and go to settings and go to in privacy. Now you need to check here if you have microphone in the privacy or not. If you don't have microphone, you just need to guys enter into account info, and from here you have to just verify your number to get voice chat. Just enter your number here, and just tap on continue and just enter your verification code. And once your number has been verified, you just need to open settings again and go to any privacy, and you will get voice chat feature in the settings. This you can see that I got the microphone already here. So use microphone to chat with voice, and once you enable the microphone from here, you can open any game that supports microphone as communication and just tap on mic or avatar's head to enable voice chat. Hope you like it. This is how you can do it. Subscribe for more videos like this. Till then, bye.